What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Barfly. Today we're going to be making a kind of a modern tiki variation on paper plane called an Almost Famous. It was created by Laura Bishop at Liberty Bar and Navy Strength in Seattle, Washington. I can't really say that much more about this other than that it's a tikified version of a paper plane. What? Let's make it. Let's get into it. You guys are going to love it. First thing we're going to do is 1 ounce of lime juice. Then we're going to make a little ding on the tin. Then we're going to do 1 ounce of Wray & Nephew Overproof rum, Jamaican rum. It's wonderful. Then we're going to do 1 ounce of Aperol. And 1 ounce of yellow Chartreuse. And that's all there is to it. Our brand new bottle of yellow Chartreuse. I'm very excited about it. It's nice to have new bottles to crack open. It is so satisfying when you haven't opened the bottle and then you just like crack it open and you just like feel it break away from that little collar thing and you just like crack. Oh, it's a new bottle. Love me some Chartreuse. Although I did have a very bad time doing Chartreuse shots in Boston with my brother once, but that's another story. All right, we're gonna add our ice. And shake. All right, and Marius found this nice vintage glass that we're going to use at a yard sale. So sorry that it's vintage. I do like to link it when I can. And we're also using this very temperamental Parisian shaker, which I am digging as well. That is made by Barfly, our tool sponsor. All right, here we go. Double strain. I'm so excited about this. I can smell that Wray & Nephew. Ooh. Now, paper planes do not get a garnish. That is a bit full. But paper planes don't typically get a garnish, and neither does this. Look at how satisfying that is. How many of you guys are going to complain about that noise I just made? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Bitter from the Aperol, but that Wray & Nephew just like that hogo flavor, that banana funk comes through. You've got the Aperol just bringing up the back end. Not the Aperol. You've got the Chartreuse bringing up the back end. You got the Aperol in the front. You've got the Wray & Nephew in the middle. You've got your lime juice providing that nice citric bite you want on the back of your throat. And then you've got the Chartreuse coming in the back. Just adding that little bit of herbal sweetness to it. You got the Chartreuse coming in the back door, if you get my meaning. Marius just made a big face when I said that because it's so, I mean, it's like kind of, it's a little gross, I guess. Oh, that's so good. I want to drink this whole thing, guys. But then we wouldn't have a thumbnail to be able to shoot. But I want to drink it. I want to drink it all. I'm gonna drink it all. I'm gonna go drink this. I'll see you guys later. I'm going to drink this.